Now, C drive is the most crucial drive on any PC, and if it fills up, it can really degrade your PC. So here's a full guide on how to actually clean your C drive without any external software. So without further ado, let's get into the first step. To delete temporary files, open your Windows search bar and type in run. Open it. You can also use Win+R to get it. Now you have to write 3 commands here and do the same procedure with all of them. First, type in temp and hit enter. Select all these files here and delete them by pressing Shift+Delete on your keyboard. It will delete all these files directly from the computer. If some files resist to delete, let them be by selecting this option and skipping them. Now, close this window, open run again. Type in the second command, %temp% and hit enter. Do the same procedure with this also. Once again, open run, type in prefetch and hit enter. Select all these files and delete them as you did in the previous commands. Now, you're done with the first step. Let's move towards the second step. Now you might think this step is useless, but in reality it does a great job in freeing up the C drive. So right-click on your recycle bin, select Empty Recycle Bin, and hit Yes. To uninstall unwanted programs, open up your Windows search bar and type in Settings. Open it. Here, click on the Apps tab and then on Apps and Features. Now, if you scroll a bit, you'll find all the programs that are installed on your PC. You have to find the programs you don't need and uninstall them. Take your time, because you may find a lot of useless programs here. Now, this step will mainly help if you have a hard disk drive on your computer. So, open your Windows search bar and type in Optimize Drives. Click on Defragment and Optimize Drives, and a window will open up like this. Select your C drive and click Optimize. It may take some time for your HDD to optimize, so be patient. To clean up temporary files, open My Computer. Now, right-click on the disk with the Windows icon and then on Properties. It will take you to the Disk Properties panel. Here, click on Disk Cleanup, and a new menu will pop up like this. Here, select all the files, one by one. Just make sure your recycle bin doesn't have any important files, or you can deselect it. Finally, click on OK, and then hit Delete Files. This will remove all the unnecessary files from your system disk. Now, here's a problem with some users. When they install any program, they just follow the traditional way, next, and install, without even thinking about where the program is going to be installed. By default, every program installs on the system disk. If you don't change its location, the space on your system disk decreases, and as a result, your PC starts lagging. Now, if you feel like your PC is not performing as it should, do check this video on the screen. It will surely help you out.